Hey, Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment, and this month's 3-minute tip is about a new product you should be looking at in your store, candy blending. So let's get started. So what is a candy blending? Well, you've seen them called blizzards, avalanches, flurries, usually some type of weather anomaly for some reason. What it is, it's soft serve mixed with candy. And what we use to make it is, right here is our Arctic Swirl blender. Look, the reason we're having a 3-minute tip about this particular product is it just continues to grow and grow and grow in our market. Stores that add this see an increase in their sales. Why? Well, let me tell you a little about the candy blend-in product. Number one, it has a great profit margin, okay? If you're doing a 16-ounce candy blend-in, it's probably going to cost you, depending on your candy, anywhere from $1.25 to $1.75. Depends on your cup, your spoon, your lid, things like that, but that's the range. You're selling that, depending on your market, anywhere from $4.95 to $5.95, conservatively speaking. So the margin's huge. And not only is the margin good, but it gives you a good dollar amount too. Another reason why this product is so popular, it has huge flexibility, all right? You can use different candies. You can hit the hot buttons. You can use chocolate. You can use vanilla. You can use peanut butter cups. Season. In seasonality, in the fall, you could do pumpkins based products. In the summer, you could do more fruit-based products. In the fall, you could do mint-based, in the spring, I'm sorry, you could do mint-based products to hit St. Patty's Day. So it has huge flexibility and promotional ability. So what else makes this candy blend-in so popular? Well, we talked about margin. We talked about its promotional ability. The other thing is, it's very simple. It's very simple to make. A blender like this is not a huge cost. Your return on investment is, if you sell these, you can make your money back in a couple weeks on what you spent. And it takes about 2 minutes to make. So you have a product that has a great margin, great profitability, can be promotional, has recipe-driven promotional products you can make. It's easy to make, okay? And it's quick to make. Why are you not adding it to your store? If it's not something you've done before, you really need to consider it. Here with our Arctic Swirl, we have a foot pedal, so it's hands-free, a mixing collar, high-end, very rugged, it'll last forever. So if this isn't a product that you've done before, you don't have in your store, you really need to consider adding it. At Sentry, we're always looking to help customers create more profit centers. So if you have 2 feet of counter space in your store, you can add the candy blend-in products and create products, promotions, and profits. Looks like time's up. See you next month.